this may be one of the most lifelike humanoid robots on display at the 2026 World Robot Conference in Beijing. However, what makes AheadForm's Elf Xuan 2.0 truly interesting is not just the fact that it looks like a human. Rather, it is what happens when the robot actually starts moving, locking eyes with people, and expressing itself almost like a living performer. When the music starts, she beautifully performs the original song, Undefined Relationship, which is the exact same piece first heard months earlier at the Robot Wonder Night Gala. The melody and lyrics were passionately crafted by Yu Hang, the founder of AheadForm, who wrote it specifically for her. As the first notes rise, her lips form the words with precise timing. The mouth smoothly opens and closes in time with every single syllable, while delicate micro-expressions ripple across her cheeks and forehead. Adding to the performance, her shoulders lift slightly, with the newly articulated upper body swaying just enough to perfectly match the rhythm. Her arms, which are now fitted with extra joints, elegantly rise and fall in gentle gestures that feel entirely intentional rather than rigidly programmed. However, it is important to note that while the 2.0 version boasts massive upgrades to her upper body, her legs remain entirely stationary, meaning she absolutely cannot walk or move about the stage. Ultimately, according to the company, commercial deployments are entirely custom. This means pricing and timelines are worked out individually depending on what a client actually wants built and integrated.